Hello everybody, thanks for joining me on the Ghanaian Farmer channel. My name is Enyonam. If this is your first time, please subscribe and share all the videos you're watching on this channel. This week we are back to Ayensuano, where a client or a viewer from the UK, I brought her here to come and inspect some lands, and then she finally made her choice. We've met the family, we've discussed the price, we brought a surveyor to come and take the boundaries of the land, and then after which he went to do the search, followed with a site plan and their indenture. I want to happily tell you that this is it. This is the document, okay? This is the document. We came here today and our Greek officer gave us the document, so you can see the indenture and the site plan has been prepared, and Madam Mary is finally an owner of 6-acre farmland here in Ayensuano, in the eastern region. I've always advised that there are a lot of lands being sold in Ghana. However, to be able to buy a genuine land, to be able to buy the perfect land for your project, make sure you see the right persons to lead, to guide, and to direct you. And so when she contacted us, I told her that we do not accept money and not have either you or a representative to come and inspect or go through the process with us. So she agreed that she was coming to Ghana, and then when she arrives in Ghana, she would meet us. Indeed, she arrived, she called, we rented a car, and then we contacted the agric officer, Ben, and then Ben said, okay, there are parcels of land being sold here, and so you people should come and inspect which one you want. He also went ahead to ask us what's the purpose for the land. And so we told him that the land was going to be used for vegetable cultivation. And so he said, okay, I have some parcels of land, come and inspect it. If that's what you want, then we proceed. So the first time we came, we met the Greek officer. He took us to the landowners. The landowners gave us some delegation or representative to lead us to where the land is. We inspected 2 lands, and she settled on the 6-acre one. And 1 acre here in Ayensuano is costing 20,000, but she bargained. Oh my goodness, this one is good. She managed to bargain and bargain. So she bought about 6 acres. And before that, we just didn't meet the family. They took us to where the land is, and then we went ahead to pay. No, we went ahead to bring a surveyor. A surveyor's work is to come and pick the boundaries of the land, go and conduct a search, and be able to confirm if the land belongs to the family who claims the land belongs to them. Now, if he confirms that, then he proceeds to do what I'm having here, the site plan and then the indenture. So after this, we'll be going to register Madam Mary Ej's name in our registry, I mean at the courts, and then everything is done and settled. So right now, when we came, there are some trees on the land, okay? We have some plantain. You can see some plantain right behind me. We have some oil palm. When we came, we also had some cocoa. We have some avocado. There's a little bit of avocado, not too many, but just a bit. There is some coconut also here, and so we asked them to cut down all these ones. No, we are leaving a few of the coconut, and we are leaving some of the plantain, and then of course the avocado. We can't leave it. We can't cut the avocado, so we cut the avocado. But the cocoa, you can see this plant right behind me here is cocoa. All right, it even has some cocoa on it. Let me get a bit closer so you can see there's some cocoa on it, but it's been set ablaze because we really don't want it. You can see the cocoa plant, and so we've set it ablaze, and They are still clearing the land, okay? But I am very happy that I have led my viewer and my client to successfully purchase the land. Now, let me read this to you. The indenture is made between Ban family, represented by Jeffrey Efriye Ban, head and lawful representative of Ban family of Ebri Ashriasi in the Kiapim South District, and then Mary Ajay. Oh my, I'm super happy. And Mary Ajay, this is it. This is it. We have it. Now we have access to this land and we can do anything and everything to it. And so this is what I've been telling you, that if you live abroad, being it in UK, US, Canada, Germany, Australia, every part of the world you live, if you want to go into farming in Ghana, it is very good investment. But there are a few things you should know. If it is a commercial farm, and if it is also a vegetable farm, if it is a farm that you want to invest heavily in that farm, it is very important that you take your time and do the right thing. And it is a gradual procedure. You know, Mary, she came here, it's almost getting to a month. She'll be leaving next week, Tuesday. So she came to spend a whole month. And I have been with her through and through. I've been with her through and through because I need to make sure that we are doing the right thing. My name is at stake, and so I have to make sure we are doing the right thing. So she came to spend a whole month here. When she arrived, she had previously contacted somebody who is also a YouTuber, and the person was demanding that she gives him the money, then he will do all the things, and then she'll come for the documents. The person was not even willing to allow her to meet the owners of the land or even get to meet the Greek officers of that district. The person was just, asking her, pay me and let me do everything. But thanks to God that she was smart enough and she said, no, I want to see the owners of the land. I want to know them, let them know me. And then we can discuss further details, but I can't give my money to you. So at least she has been wise and smart enough not to give money to that person. If not, the story would have been different. So when she reached out to the Ghanaian farmer, as usual, we do agri-tourism. We help people to buy land. We are not land people. We are not estate agents. Please let me issue that disclaimer. I am not an estate agent. I don't sell land. But if you reach out to me, I will call the Greek officers who I work with. And if there is land, they will let me know. And then you would come down, or you will let a trusted representative meet me, and then we would continue with the procedure. So she arrived, we rented a car, we came here, we went to Suhum itself, and then we came to Ayensuano, which is closer to Accra. It takes you like an hour and a half, and you are here. Okay, this is the closest to the city I've ever seen. This community, it's closer to the city than I have ever seen any farmland. And it is an amazing place. Great climate. Water is all over the place. So what we are planning to do, we even brought people who are into borehole drilling to come and conduct a search to see if they will be able to find where we can drill borehole. Even though there is water on the land, we still want to drill borehole. We would even dig a dam that she can use for some fish farming, and she can be enjoying as and when she comes from the UK to visit her farmland. So the borehole drilling company have come to done their search, and then the surveyor also did his way back. It took us about almost 2 weeks to get this document here. And so today I can confidently and finally tell you that this is like 60-70% done. What is left for us to do now is to go to courts. Okay, and court is for Mary to go and register her name in the books of government, that I, Mary Ajay, or hey, Mary Ajay, it's Mary Ajay, I have a land here at Ayenswano Kota, 6 acres, for farming purpose. So if anybody dares come closer, we have a legal document to defend us. So this one, she can go ahead and do all the investments, from drilling a borehole to building a farmhouse. We have a legal document that would back us if anybody should show up asking questions. This is our license, and I'm happy. It's worth it. Whatever money she paid to me and my agency, I think is worth it. In fact, me myself, you know my story at Sege. And so I've also gone to check another place which I love, and we are working to seeing if we can raise some resources to actually get it for ourselves. But so far so good. It's been an amazing journey, and we are super excited. If you live abroad and you want to buy land in Ghana, meet the right people. Let them support you, and please be willing to pay when you are asked to pay a little token, so that you go through the right procedure to purchase a very genuine land. So I'm going to talk to Mary in a jiffy to find out how she's feeling about this whole process. It's been a month. Those of you who come and you spend 2 days, we don't used to buy land. Make sure when you are coming, you've told your employers that you're coming to do something that needs a lot of time. So here we are. Hello. Here's your document. Yes, your document.
Thank you, Anyana.
So Mary, how do you feel now that you finally have your site plan and your indenture? Now you have authority over this land. How do you feel?
Yeah, I feel good. I thought coming here is not being in vain. I've come to achieve whatever I came here for. And I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay. Now I'm going around my farm. I know by a year by this time, things will be okay. Yeah, we will clear all the bushes and think you can see it clearly how it is. Okay. So yeah, I'm happy. At least I've got this. Yes. I have to do the.
Now you go to court and register your name.
Yeah.
Yes.
So at least I've got something with me that I can be proud of and say I've got my papers and now the land belongs to me. Of course. So if you are there and you want a land. Yes. I've told you already, you've seen my video before. Yes. Yeah, contact her.
Hello.
And the agric officer. Ben. And they will help you to acquire the land. A good one. Yes. Not just a land. No. Please.
A very peaceful, very genuine land. Without any litigation.
And make sure you have a little bit of time. To do all this process. You can't just come in 2 days, 1 week and
you run away.
It's not worth it. Come in with a lot, at least some days, about 30 days, 1 month. Yeah, it takes long to do this. This one I have to
almost like 2 weeks.
Rush the surveyor to do it for me. It's not easy. So please have a time and come and do your
all the research and all the checks.
Exactly.
And then
get your papers and go peacefully to your country.
Hey, landowner.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Landowner. From UK to Ghana. So what do you want to plant here?
Well, I have so many things on my mind, but at the moment, I'm going to do peppers. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to start it small. Okay. And then when I see how it's going, if it's going well, then we can increase it. Okay. Yes. All right. Yeah.
Thank you very much, landowner.
Thank you.
You can go and rest. I know you are tired. She came and she was storing. She wants to see her boundaries and all that. But I also help her to find a worker. You know, Ghana, finding workers is pretty much a bit difficult. In fact, to get the good one. However, we found someone, and like I always say, if you found a worker, make sure you take the worker to where your land is. Let the worker go and see the community, see the surrounding. If he or she is okay and can stay there, then you can now talk about pricing. You understand? So we found someone who is going to be under the supervision of Ben, because he's that Greek officer in this district. So he visited a lot of farmers to support them, to train them, to guide them so they can have a good yield. And so we found someone who is going to be here taking care of Auntie Mary's farm for her. She wants to cultivate vegetables, from tomato to pepper to okra to a lot of vegetables, okay? And so we found someone and we brought up, hey, come here, let everybody see you. So this is Godfred, and you are, what's your background again?
Diploma in Agric.
Diploma in Agric. And so what farms have you worked in so far?
I've worked on cocoa farm, vegetables like pepper and eggplants.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Now, what do you make of the community? The other time we took you to another community, and then today we are here. What do you make of here? Do you like the place? Can you stay here?
Yes, I can stay. I really like it because since I'm into Agric, you know, most of the Agric work are in the rural areas.
Yeah.
And I've psyched myself to work in any community that I'll be employed in. So I'm so happy to be here.
So you are promising the Ghanaian farmer that you've come to stay?
Yes, please.
And you do a good job?
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much. So that's it. That is Godfred, who is going to be helping Auntie Mary while she goes back to the UK. We'll get a place for Godfred here to stay here, and then he would be working on the land, you know, with the help of the district agric officer. This is the best way to go. Look for a good person who understands the work, who know what it takes to be in farming, and is willing to actually help you to achieve your aim and your objective. Don't go and hire anybody. Do not impress them with money. If the worker will run away, the worker will run away. If the worker will stay, the worker will stay. What matters is that when you find the worker, take the worker to where the land is. Let him or her look at the area. Let him or her understand what he or she is coming to do. Let him or her confirm that, yes, I am up to this. I want to work with you. Get the person a comfortable place to stay, and the person would proceed and help you to achieve your aim and objective. I always say farming is expensive, okay? Farming is expensive. So before you invest your money into the soil, before you bring a team together to help you, make sure they are people who are passionate, who have a bit of relationship, who have a bit of alignment with what you're coming to do, who understands the aim and objective and is willing to support you to achieve your objective. Is very important. So thank you very much. If this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe. I always say share the videos, please. Don't just subscribe, share the videos. As you're watching, you're supporting me to be able to fuel my car and drive into the rural areas, look for farmers, and also interview them so you can be enlightened, so you can make a decision as to what you want to do when it comes to agriculture. Thank you very much. My name once again is Enyunam, but if you see me in town, call me Ghana's finest farmer, and I would respond that. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate this moment with me. Bye bye.